We are on Creative Hands again. Today we are going to do a craft on papers. On sheets of papers. You can take 3 or 4 sheets. Next is a scissor. Kids, when using it, you should take the help of someone else, elderly, of course. A double sticker tape. Next is a pen or pencil. Then watercolor. Then a glue, water and watercolor brush. Now we are going to take these pieces of papers and fold them into halves like this. And draw with pen or pencil like this. These should be a little lesser than each one. Lesser or smaller. After cutting all these, we will cut narrow strips of V. Does these cuttings look like butterfly? We will now curl the stings of it. Take the V's and curl them with brush. We will put colors on one side of the butterfly's wings and fold them. See how it is done? one side of the butterflies we will tape colors.
After putting color, you will fold the butterfly again and press it so that the color spread all over. Now, after opening the folds, the butterflies will come like this. We will let them dry and cut the double sticker tape, and after drying, paste them on the white portion of the butterflies, that is behind. You can paste them anywhere on your cupboards, doors, walls, anywhere you like. Just fold them a little bit. They will look like natural butterflies. If you like these butterflies, give this video a like and subscribe our channel Creative Hands for our next video.